Hey guys, it's B Nasty with Operation Stormy Weather. Gonna do an American turn. It is December of 1918. I actually didn't think about tech yet. That's probably not very smart. Well, let's do that first. First thing we're gonna do is air doctrine. I know that, and I know I'm gonna roll for these two. Right? Yeah. Yes. Okay. So that finally moves. 6, I don't think it's going to cut it, for sure not. 10 will though. So there's that. And that. So 2 for 3 so far, and I have 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Fighter and bomber looks like both hit. So strap bombers. Oh, move naval dock and air dock 1 stage. Sweet. That's like the old. Well, so then I'm not going to roll that. And I missed that. But I still have 1 more left, so I'll roll this guy. Missed that too. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 misses, and so 4 hits, but 6 things advanced. Not bad. Okay. Purchases for the American turn. 50 to spend. I'm going to advance this heavy battleship for 6. I'm going to complete this heavy cruiser for 4, so that's 10. This is going to cost 6, so 16 plus 8 is 24, plus another 6 is 30. I'm going to upgrade 2 ports for 2 each, so that's 34. I'm going to spend 5 on Diplo, 39. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colonials is another 10 for 49. And I will save $1. So diplomacy, freebie for the Netherlands, Russia, and Cuba is what I'm going to roll for. So time to change this out for, sure, let's go blue. So Cuba, Netherlands, Russia. Orange, Netherlands is only 1 or 2. Cuba and Russia are 1, 2, or 3. And that will be 0 for 3 on tech. Not bad. Okay, so this guy's going to go here, and I'll go here. Okay, for combat moves, I'm going to have a couple. This transport's going to pick up these 2 Marines, and we're going to declare war on Uruguay, and these 2 dreadnoughts will come and do a turn of bombards there. Okay. Oops. Oh, well, whatever. This guy. You know what? Actually, he's going to attack here. No, he's going to go here. No, he's going to go here. He'll attack Uruguay as well. These 3 are going to attack Paraguay. And he's going to go 1, 2. And join that fight. And then I'm going to have a 3rd declaration of war. Going to attack Venezuela. This transport. And these guys will come with. And what the heck? Those guys will come, and he's going to go 1, 2, 3, and plan to land back in whatever you call that, southeastern United States. I don't think I'm going to do any combat moves down here. So I think that's it. So let's go one by one. Do these fights. Shoot. Okay, so let's start with let's go 2 bombards. The cruiser will be gray and the pre-dread will be black. So gray at 1, black at 2. So those both miss. Then I will have 1, 2, 3 at 1. Medium bomber is at 7. So purple at 1, orange at 7. And medium bomber hits. And defending at a 3. And that's going to be a hit. I will lose him for just a second. Any of these magical technologies prevent double casualties? I don't think so. Oh, infantry class units do not suffer double casualties in the first round. Sweet. So I'll lose a colonial and keep that naval infantry alive. Wow. Just land him back here. Okay, so that's going to be $1 for America. Okay, let's do this one next. So again, I think it's kind of the same setup. I got 1, 2, 3 at 1, and a tactical bomber at 7. All misses. You're defending at a 3. Miss. Round 2. Misses all around. And that's 1 hit. And round 3. Alright, that attack does its job. And that's a miss. So Empirical with a worth $2. Nice. Okay. So another $1 there. And let's do Uruguay. So 2 dreadnoughts. Dreadnoughts are only at a 2. I just want to check one thing real quick here. Heavy battleship plus 1 for so that's only heavy battleship escape. I use black here. So these are bombards at 2 or less. Oh, and there's one. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That one is not worth any money. Okay. Non-comps. Slide him over to there. Yep. So 1, 2. 2 to there. Over here, I'm going to take these 2. 1, 2. Yeah, I guess I'll do this. He'll come with a 2, I guess, but 2, 3. This guy's gonna go 1, 2. He's using strat naval move, and 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. I don't think that. Oh, I guess Venezuela will be. I'm not sure. Sure, Britain. So no trade buck for them. Okay, I think that's it then. I was going to play some units. So to do. And you guys will be zipping over here. Toss one of those guys into Philippines. All 4 of these guys will go there. And we're going to upgrade this to this. And we're going to upgrade this to this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. So we'll just collect income for the states. So that's going to be 52 plus 1 is 53. And I saved the buck, so it should be 54. And yeah, I think that's it. So Be Nasty signing out. We'll pass it off to the veteran. Okay, see you guys.